Hey guys, it's Carson here. So I'm going to build the salsa portion of our burger of the month. Small diced pineapple, diced jalapenos, diced onion, chopped cilantro. Add a splash of lime juice, salt. We're going to mix this all together. Ooh, beautiful, fresh. I love it. Next component is our chipotle aioli for this. So half a cup of mayonnaise, 1 to 2 tablespoons of adobo sauce. We're gonna add just a little tiny bit more lime to that. We're gonna whisk this up. On to the next component of our burger. So we've got some ground beef. We're gonna add some soy sauce and Maui Wowie seasonings from Spiceology. We're gonna mix this all together nice and good, just like playing with Play-Doh. All right, guys, we got our buns toasted. Now we're going to add a generous amount of our aioli to it. Our burgers are just about done, so I'm going to add our pepper jack cheese to it. Burgers are done. I'm going to get them off the grill, and we're going to assemble these. Our beautiful seasoned hamburger, melted pepper jack cheese, seared slice of Spam. All right, so on top of that, we're going to add a generous scoop of our salsa. It's September's Maui Wowie burger.